Alright, what we have here is a 2015 model Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Radio is peaked and tuned. It has a modulation swing kit. It also has a connex echo board, and it has Nitro knobs. The modification for the talkback has been done, so it is a lot louder than the stock Chrome talkback. There is an adjustment, RF gain. You can turn the knobs off, turn them on, turn them real bright. Radio works extremely well. Swings around 18 to 20 watts.
Audio check. Audio. Test. 1, 2.
Radio is used. Does have some scratches on the case, but nothing serious. It'll include a bracket, power cord, the mic, everything you need. The echo board is controlled by the Delta tune. You can adjust it however you like it. Everything works as it should. What you see is what you will receive. Works extremely well.